Sweet and savory, it's cooked to order. Get it in a basket or a sandwich. Only at KFC, it's finger-licking good.
This impossible stuff is, I don't know about it, man.
Sahar finally convinced Olu to try the Impossible Whopper.
I think you'll be surprised. He's into it.
This is good.
It's 2 for $6.
Can't go wrong with 2 for $6.
Get the Impossible Whopper as part of the 2 for $6 mix or match. Your way, way better.
With Redfin, when you see a home you love, you can book a tour on demand, so you can see homes first. And with your local Redfin agent,
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for extreme southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shelby, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation, impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Range Line, Hebron, Boone Grove and Morgan Township. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
With exciting stunts. So to help you remember that Liberty Mutual customizes your home insurance, here's something you shouldn't try at home.
Look, Liberty Mutual customizes home insurance so we only pay for what we need. It's pretty cool.
That is cool. Grandma!
Very cool. Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
You ready?
It looks like we have a photo from Gloria Peel showing this very large tornado which narrowly missed her farm near Shelby. Of course, if you have photos you'd like to share with us, you're always welcome to do so on our Facebook page, but if you're in the path of the storm, we encourage you to take cover. For those of you just tuning in, a tornado warning is in effect for southern Porter County and southeastern Lake County. Persons in the path of the storm should take cover in the safest part of their homes. We just got an update from the Weather Forecast Office over in Syracuse, and it looks like they've upgraded this to a tornado emergency. They are describing this as a particularly dangerous situation, and they've extended the warning all the way to eastern portions of Valparaiso.
Tornado emergency for Porter County. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Range Line, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, trained weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Hebron around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Boone Grove around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Porter County Airport around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling.